Hello everyone. I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Let's begin today's challenge. In today's video also, I would like to discuss few more aspects of relationships. What I'm discussing with all of you is completely out of my own personal experience. During some of the therapy sessions, I have had people telling me, Radha, I don't think I am good enough to have amazing people in my life. I said, what did you say? And then they would repeat, Radha, I said, I don't think I deserve to have amazing people in my life. And then my question to them would be, okay, I understand what are you saying, but what I don't understand is what made you say like this? They would respond saying, no, no, Radha, it is, I have had some failed relationships in the past. So that is why I'm thinking like that. I understand when people say like this, they have had some negative experience in the past about themselves and the relationships, which is what is making them say like that. But what I am trying to say is, you shouldn't really judge yourself thinking that you can't have right people in your life. That's negative judgment that you're doing for yourself. So, what if you fail once? You think you will never succeed again? And sometimes, when people go through some failed relationships, they think that it is all their fault. They take that failed relationship so personally that they come to me and say, no, no, it is all my fault. I don't think I can have a right person in my life. It's all my fault. No, it is not your fault. Remember that first. It's nobody's fault either. See, according to me, I look at it this way. I told you in one of the previous videos that God places people in your life not based on what you want, but based on what you need. Now, there are few more people who come to me for consultation and then they say, Radha, I did try my level best to adjust to those people who are there at the moment in my life. And they also say, the more I am adjusting, the more they are becoming toxic. Radha, what can I do? Then very simple, you need to stop adjusting. Draw a boundary. Let them know what they are doing to you is not okay to you. It is your responsibility to let them know. You don't expect them to know themselves. You have to let them know. Then how do I let them know overnight, Radha? No, things cannot happen overnight. You need to slowly start drawing boundary. Initially, they won't even realize you have kept some boundary, but over a period of time, they'll understand. And when they understand, they may dislike you. and that is okay. You're not here to be liked by people. You definitely exist to be liked by yourself first and then by rest of the world. This is actually a fact. I don't know how many of you understand this. If you like yourself, only then you will attract people who like you. If you yourself feel terrible within, you will only attract people who treat you terribly. So it's all about how you feel within, the quality of relationships that you attract in your life. All these lessons I'm happily saying as I'm dotting now, but these are some of the lessons about relationships which I learned very hard way. And then some people do ask me, Radha, as long as I adjusted according to their definition of being a good person, according to their liking of how people around them should be, they liked me. The moment I started being myself, they are disliking me. Now tell me, Radha, why don't they like me when I am me? And my response was, to answer this question, I have to ask you a question. She said, yes, ask me, go ahead. And then I asked, why are you giving so much importance to what others think of you? How does that matter to you? When they don't even think of your mental, emotional, physical well being, why should you give so much importance to what others think of you? She was quiet for some time and then she said, how did you know that I'm giving importance to those people's opinion? Looks like that's exactly what I'm doing, Radha. And that is what is making me feel so emotionally drained out in the relationships that I'm currently having in my life. And then I told her, very simple, follow this. What others think of you or what others say about you is none of your business. I follow this principle in my life. What others think of me or what others say about me is just none of my business. It is their opinion. People are free to have opinions. Let them have whatever opinion they want. Let them do their job. You do your job. As long as you're honest, your values are ethical, and you're not hurting anybody with your thoughts or actions, you really do not have to worry about what people think of you or say about you. You know what? Even if you totally fit into their definition of being a good person, people would still have opinions about you. That's how relationships are. So I would urge all of you to follow this principle. As long as you're not hurting anybody with your thoughts or actions, what others think of you or what others say about you is just none of your business. You know what? When you start following this for all the toxic relationships around you, you will become more peaceful. And then people ask me, Radha, have you not had any toxic people in your life? I said, yes, I have had. What did you do? Very simple, kick them out of my life and block them. What if they will call you or message you? Very, I have blocked them in my phone also, yeah, and it's not only from my life. I've blocked them on my phone. They can't message me, they can't call me. At the beginning, it may be like, blocking people out of your life may seem to be such a difficult task, or when you're actually doing it, you may even feel if you're wrong or not being human. So don't worry about it, none of those. Nothing is more important than your own mental health and emotional well being. Anything else in this world comes next. So, I have shared some of the aspects of relationships that I really wanted to share with all of you. Mandala for this challenge is done. Now, go ahead, recreate it, share it with me.